Mustang's last car show before I start restoring it. It's right here behind me. But yeah, so I do body work for a living. So pretty soon I'm gonna start cutting out the damaged parts and basically just going completely stripping it down. So this is its last car show. Obviously I need to refinish everything, go over all. I'm probably going to end up replacing the fenders because of sections like this where it's just caved and paved with Mondo. It would be cheaper to replace it than fix it. I might try to fix this door, I'm not sure. Obviously there's some rot in this quarter right here, but I'll probably have to replace the quarter for that. The deck lid's good. It just needs to be gone through, sanded, made sure there's no dents or no filler in it. This quarter is a little better, but obviously it still has some damage down here, so that'll need to be taken care of. Yeah, basically this door has a hole in it, so I'll probably end up replacing that. This fender as well will probably need to be replaced, and all new chrome bumpers and stuff like that. I've gotten the interior mostly done, but it still needs to be taken out for the body process. So I'll start stripping this thing down next week. Get on it. Absolutely so many people here right now, it's crazy. Take a look at this.